Is home to hundreds of people who call themselves Holocaust survivors. They are part of the greatest generation, but sadly, many of them are struggling and living in poverty. CBS 12's Lena Salzbank has more on one organization's efforts to make sure that their remaining years can be lived out with dignity.
More than a third of the Holocaust survivors in the country are living in poverty, a situation only made worse as inflation and the cost of living gets higher and higher. Mark Hoppen is the CEO of Alpert Jewish Family Services in West Palm Beach. The group works with 200 survivors from Boynton to Vero Beach, seeing firsthand the financial hurdles their clients come across.
They're all getting in-home care in order to live in their homes. People have Social Security and people have savings, but for all of them, it's very limited and certainly very insufficient to be able to cover the cost of 40, 50, 60, 70 hours of in-home care.
That's why Hoppen, along with Rales Jewish Family Services in Boca Raton, are working to secure funds to help offset some of those heavy costs.
They have endured so much. They somehow have made it to the United States. In our case, they've somehow made it here to West Palm Beach. That we have this opportunity to be able to help them.
For every dollar that the two local organizations raise, a national fundraising coalition will match that amount, and the money goes directly into purchasing things like food, dental care, and even HOA bills.
With this one client that she had an accident and her tooth broke, so we're able to again put together funds.
Howard Horowitz is the director of the Holocaust program in Boca Raton. He says South Florida has the second largest number of Holocaust survivors in the country, and they work every day to ensure survivors can maintain their dignity in their later years. In West Palm Beach, Lena Salzbank, CBS 12 News.
And